Well, the saying goes, you don't wash a rental car, right?
See thunder and hear lightning. Write that down.
Yesterday was a rough day.
I wouldn't think of that idea.
Hi, I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter.
I'm Tony Fast's daughter. Our family has been blessed to farm in Montana
For over 100 years now. And it wouldn't be possible without the great team we have
and blessings from our Savior,
Jesus Christ.
Morning. Had one of those nuisance showers this morning. One of those showers that doesn't benefit anything, but the nuisance because it just won't let us harvest for a couple hours this morning. Or longer if the sun doesn't come out and the sun doesn't start shining, wind blowing. But yeah, we got a few things we can do, like kind of want to wash the grain cart. Even though it's gonna get dirty again, it just doesn't look right dirty. And the tractor. So we got a few things to do. Exhaust coming off the turbo on the white Kenny here needs to be replaced. Flex is all rusted out. A little stinky in the cab once in a while if the wind's right. That's not good for you. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for grasshoppers to be gone and for it to start raining again in this country. Not be so hot. I should give you guys a little update on crops. Mustard, it ran okay. I'm not going to complain about it because it's good profit, but the pods are only half full. So it could have been better. Peas looked amazing, tall. Had we not got hot in middle of July, I think we would have cut 40 bushel peas. But instead, we cut like 20 bushel peas because the flowers just got shut off and they quit setting pods. So, and this wheat, it looks great. Like it honestly looks like 40, 45 bushel wheat. 20 bushel average, 22, something like that. And under 50 pound test weight, which canola weighs 50 pounds a bushel. Wheat weighs 60 as a standard. And this is so shriveled up, looks like rice from the heat. Even though we had rain. So, one of those years. Just one of those years. Yeah, it's not supposed to be sooty and black like that. And then here's your air intake. So sometimes it smells like exhaust in the cab. Should all be brand new exhaust from here back, but not right now. Those stacks that are on the white peat look amazing on this truck. Yeah, I agree. Oh, look at that. It almost looks like chrome. Just kidding, not even close. Done. Well, the saying goes, you don't wash a rental car, right? But you do wash a grain cart demo when it looks like this. Well, we got the auger service here too. Got it all greased. U-joints, drive shaft, bearings, oil chains. We'll get it set up. Didn't even rinse off the white truck. I did get the bugs off the front. I mean, look at that. Pretty amazing, that MS truck and trailer cleaner, how that takes bugs off. It's awesome for that. But Natalie's gonna need a cart dumped here before too long. So I'm gonna get this out there.
We've moved back to the home place around the shop, and we are back to cutting and spring clean.
Close to getting this all on the cart, I think, Natalie, so just hang around somewhere here. Okay.
Oh, hey, there you guys are. I finally remembered where I left my camera. Well, I just finally found my camera, I should say. Time to go relieve Natalie. Let her get in for the evening. We'll go run the grain cart for the rest of the night. So we'll truckload and a half or so yet. We'll call it a night. Shutting down for the night. I'm gonna blow off their combines quick. We'll dump the last little bit of the stuffed grain cart. That should be 82,000 pounds. It's 64. That's how light that test weight of the stuff is. So do the math and figure out what it is roughly. 48-pound test weight. That's lighter than canola. I hope we can find a market for this stuff. That might be a little interesting. Who needs, like, I don't know, 50, 60,000 bushels of bird feed? Because we got it for you if you need that much. Morning, windmill. Actually pretty talkative this morning. Anyways, well, if you guys haven't watched any of the previous harvest videos, we are going into week 4 today. Peas are done, mustard's done. Winter wheat's done. What else did we cut? I think that's it. We're in almost done with spring wheat. A couple more days of spring wheat, we'll be done with that. Got chickpeas, durum, and canola left. So we got trucks loaded. Let's go start dumping trucks. Guys are getting combine serviced, fueled up. Keep cutting spring wheat today. What in the world? Huh. That's weird. It's a Monday, I guess. Well, those work. Try the remote. Well, fixed it.
It's 100% going to cut off the corn. Come on, man. Well, it would appear as though we have our first rain delay. Not much you can do about it, I guess. We were trying. I think it was going alright, but it started getting pretty tough pretty quick. Combines weren't really blowing a lot of dust out the back, and we pushed it. But it's not worth it. Looks like we have a decent storm coming in, so maybe we will get some rain out of it. The weather apps are calling for like maybe a quarter of an inch. We'll see. So, take it.
Looks like he's still cutting south.
Do we make a comment about it being a John Deere combine? Can we make comments about a John Deere combine still going? Yeah. Alright. See what's next.
Apparently there's a bit of a leak. You guys got one side of each combine will be washed.
You run out there and turn them around real quick. I'm trying to eat my lunch.
We better go fungicide that corn.
I think it's a little late for that.
It's making some noise out there too. It's the thunder.
Whoa.
And the lightning. Well, the lightning's not making the noise.
Yeah, it is.
Well,
You see thunder and you hear lightning.
that's true. See thunder and hear lightning. Write that down.
Well, after about a half a day of poking wires, checking continuity, testing plugs, checking voltage at pressure sensors, finally figured out. Boy, we were making a lot of condensation now, which is good because the air conditioner is working. The problem was that we had no voltage getting to the back pressure switch, which I think is low pressure. High pressure had power if that's the front one. They could be reversed, I don't remember for sure. But we found out that there's no power back there. We had the dash tore apart, checking out everything in there, checking relays. Relays weren't popping, the AC one. Well, we finally figured out that it's because the wire right here that goes to that pressure switch, after I cut this tape off, it was sticking through the tape on the outer level, or outer layer. And it looked like it was twisted together like CAN bus. So if you know what CAN bus is, on how CAN bus has got two wires always twisted together, it runs signal back and forth like it's its own system. But that's kind of weird, so I kept on taping it. Black wire went that way, black wire went that way, black wire goes to that plug over there. Took and touched those together, hit the switch a few times in the cab, the relay popped, we have AC. Somebody was playing a mean joke somewhere along the line. Because all it was a cut wire and they twisted them together to make them look like, I don't know, they weren't even like stripped like it was a splice. It was just two wires that cut in the middle. So that's good because I'm tired of a dirty cab. Blew it out earlier today. I think we're good to go. I think we can probably refrigerate meat in here now. It's nice and cool. Oh yeah. Nice and cold in here. Tell you what, yesterday was a rough day. All harvest, I've been wearing the new Brunt pants. I could not find them yesterday, and I had to wear normal jeans. Oh my goodness. Sweaty, sticky, not comfortable to wear after wearing these Brunt pants. I mean, they're good and stretchy. I got the new Omen slip-on boots. So much better than hot jeans, mid-legged boots, whatever, mid-shinned boots, mid-calf, normal height work boots. Check them out, Brunt boots. And they're workwear. It's awesome stuff. Well, the combines just rolled out of the yard to go do a test cut. Why not cut like a couple hundred bushels of wet wheat? I actually don't think it's that wet anymore. Nice little breeze now. Been sunshiny all day. Just humid, so. Get the auger set back up, open the bin, top up, dump the grain cart, dump the truck, whatever. Get everything kind of moving and shuffled around so we're ready to go when the machines are fully running. See how dusty we can get. You got some grasshoppers on your front bumper.
I know.
'Tis the season.
Yeah. Look what I brought you! Pulled pork with coleslaw on top and potato salad and cottage cheese.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait till you're done unloading combine before you finish that.
I'll come and ride with you.
Unless you eat quick.
Yeah, I'll ride with you.
There's quite the lightning show moving in from the southwest. we'll see what happens. They've been tending to break up before they get here, but this one might get us, we'll see. Of course it stops when I say something about it. Oh, there we go. Well, we just finished this half section. Tim unloaded, he's heading to the yard. He's gonna go set the auger down on the bin, so if we get a windstorm, it survives. And Dad's just coming to unload what he's got. I'll put it in the truck and everything tarped and get things put away for the night. Well, I'm tarped and unloaded. It's starting to rain.
Now we get my feeder house blown off. The wind's picked up and it's raining pretty good. Oh no, I see lights on. I thought the power was out maybe, so. Oh, that thing's driving me nuts.
So somebody's saying like a year ago you should put the windshield wiper on this tractor. That would have been a good idea.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching, but don't forget, farm hard, pray harder. See you next video.